Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Liswandi Anukra. This is
My name is Muhammad Zaki Nurwait. What color is your bike?
the color of my bike is black.
What color are your shoes?
This is white color.
What color are the cupboards in your room?
The color of the cupboards in my house is brown.
What color is your guitar at home?
My guitar color is red.
What color is your bottle?
My bottle color is blue.
What color is your home television?
The color is gray.
What color is your mattress?
The color is white.
And what color is your house?
The color of my house is green.
What color is your bag?
The color my bag is dark blue.
What color is your table at home?
My table is yellow.
Thank you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.